How are you, dear families of my channel? Welcome to my class. Last time I explained about balancing chemical equations using the algebraic method. Now what I'm going to explain for this class is about types of chemical reactions. This includes the activity 1.2. There are different questions, just I'm going to explain. What are the final products of digestion of protein and starch? The final products of digestion of protein are the amino acids, and that of starch are glucose. And you can write the answer of the question as follows. Okay, is a protein and starch digestion a building up or breaking down? Digestion by itself is just a breaking down of bigger molecules of food into smaller ones. Therefore, it is a breaking down process, not a building up process. Okay, therefore you can put the answer of the question like this ones. What is alcohol fermentation and its process? Alcohol fermentation means conversion of simple sugar molecules into alcohol and also carbon dioxide. Okay, this is supported or accomplished using the yeasts anaerobically or in the absence of oxygen. And the answer for this question can be written as follows, like this ones. What are the two chemical compounds produced during the fermentation of the or tella? Okay, this is during fermentation of the tella. What substance will be produced? There are different compounds that are produced during this process, which are commonly known as the ethanol, alcohol, and carbon dioxide, which are written in the above the question. Okay, therefore can put the answer of the question as follows. Okay, this one is the next question. What is the main ingredient or starting substance or material for the production of tej and tella? The main ingredient for starting of this one is known as germinated barley, barley, okay, or what we call it bickle in Amharic. Okay, it is bickle in Amharic. What are the two major chemical reactants and two chemical products of photosynthesis? We discussed in the previous classes, the beginning of the class. The photosynthesis is the process of conversion of carbon dioxide and water with the absorption of sunlight energy and producing, and the products are the glucose and oxygen. Therefore, the answer of the question can be written as follows. Okay, therefore this one is starting material or reactants, this ones, and the products are glucose and oxygen. Is photosynthesis a breaking down or building up? It is a building up process because it uses carbon dioxide and water with the help of sunlight energy and producing bigger and useful molecules, that is glucose and also oxygen. Therefore it is the answer which is to be written as such as follow. Okay, what are the combustion products of kerosene? Kerosene or any hydrocarbon will be combusted to form carbon dioxide gas and water vapor. Okay, therefore the products are carbon dioxide and water vapor. You can write the answer for this question as such. Is a combustion of kerosene a building up or breaking down process? It's just bigger molecules of hydrocarbon will be split, broken down into carbon dioxide and water vapor. Therefore, it is a breaking down process, not a building up process. It is a reverse change of photosynthesis. It is a reverse change of photosynthesis. Okay? Therefore, you can pose the answer of this question, this one, as such. Okay, the following reactions are the four basic types of chemical reactions that are combination reaction, decomposition, single displacement, and double displacement reactions. Such reactions are generally classified as follow. Okay, this is figure 1.1. It's indicating about types of chemical reactions. This one is direct combination of two different substances to form a single substance. It is necessarily forming a single substance, therefore it is combination. And this one is decomposition, is the reverse trend of combination reaction, because a single substance will be decomposed into two or more substances. Here A, B decomposed or split into A and B. A may be compound or element, B also may be compound and elements. Okay, like this one is A may be element or compound, B also may be element or compound, but B is a compound. Single displacement. Under these categories of reactions, a single substance will be displaced by a more active single substance, maybe metal or non-metal, depends on the type of substance which are reacting. Therefore, A is more active than, for example, from B. Therefore, A is displacing B, forms AC plus B, because B is less active than A. Okay, double displacement reactions, which includes an exchange of positive ions and negative ions interchanging one with another. For example, A is a positive ion, C is also a positive ion. Therefore, A displaces C or interchanges the place of C. And also B is negative ion and D is negative ion. A and B and D also will be interchanging. Therefore, the type of compound will be AdCb. AdCb. This is just a compound. How can it be formed? Okay, the direct combination, this one is the first one's reaction, means a combination of two or more substances to form a single substance, and it can be having examples like this ones. This is element, sodium element, chlorine element combine or react together to form sodium chloride compound. This calcium oxide compound, carbon dioxide is also another compound. Two compounds combine together to form calcium carbonate, bigger compound. Okay, therefore, here necessarily the compound must be, a single compound must be formed to say the type of reaction is combination reaction. Okay, this is just about the combination reaction. The experimental part of combination reaction provided here, investigation of combination reaction. The objective is to investigate the reaction between sulfur and iron. Sulfur is solid non-metallic element and iron is solid metallic element. The apparatus used as a test tube may be used for reacting these two substances, or maybe any other substances, bigger materials like a dish or other substance may be used for reacting these ones and these ones. A stand or supporting material of this device, and burner, which is used to burn the mixture of sulfur and iron. Okay, watch glass, the glass which is used for observation of the reaction process, because it yields high amount of heat and light. Therefore, watch glass is important. Okay, and therefore the chemicals which are to be provided for this reaction are sulfur powder and iron fillings. Sulfur powder means sulfur in the powder form, and iron filling means like a powder form of iron also. This substance will be mixed together and just will react with the help of burner. What were the colors of iron fillings and sulfur before the reaction? The iron fillings just having a gray color, okay, before the reaction, and sulfur powder is pale yellow or yellow color solid substance. Okay, therefore the answer of the question can be written as such. You can put the answer of the question as follows. What was the color of resulting compound after the reaction is completed? Okay, there's a substance which is formed was a black substance as you observed. the black substance is produced or observed. What was produced during this experimental observation? Write balanced chemical equation for the reaction. The chemical equation looks like this. The iron, which is gray color, reacts with sulfur, which is pale yellow color, and it gives the iron sulfide, which is black substance. በአማርኛ ይሄን ነገር ለመግለጽ ያህል ምንድነው አክቲቪቲ 1 2 ላይ ያያችሁት ምንድነው ይሄ ፕሮቲን እና ስታርች ዳይጀስት ሲሆኑ የመጨረሻው ፓርታቸው ምን አይነት ፓርቲክሎች ናቸው ነው ወይም ምን አይነት ቅንጣቶች ናቸው ነው ጥያቄው አሚኖ አሲድስ ይባላሉ ሶሪ and ስታርች ደግሞ ግሉኮስ ናቸው ማለት ነው በጣም አነስተኛ የሚባሉት ስታርች ክፍሎች ግሉኮስ የሚባሉት ናቸው ማለት ነው is protein and starch digestion building up or breaking down digestion ከተባለ ትልቅ የሆነ ሞለኪውል ወደ ትናንሽ መቀየር ማለት ነው ስለዚህ breaking down ይባላል እንጂ building up ሊባል አይችልም ማለት ነው ሌላው ምንድነው what's alcohol fermentation and its process ነው የሚለው alcohol fermentation ማለት simple molecule of sugar በይስት አማካኝነት ያለ ኦክሲጅን ማለት ነው ወደ ኢታኖል የሚባለው አልኮል እና ወደ ካርቦን ዳይኦክሳይድ መቀየር ማለት ነው ኮንቨርት ማድረግ ይሄ ኢታኖል የሚባለው አልኮል ነው ይሄ ካርቦን ዳይኦክሳይድ ነው what are the two chemical products or compounds which are produced during the fermentation of ጠጅ or ጠላ በዚህ ፕሮሰስ ጊዜ ማለት ነው የሚፈጠረው ማለት ነው በፈርመንቴሽን ኦፍ ጠጅና ጠላ ጊዜ የሚፈጠሩ ነገሮች እነዚህ ናቸው ኢታኖል አልኮልና ካርቦን ዳይኦክሳይድ ናቸው የሚፈጠሩት ማለት ነው what is the main ingredient or starting material የሚለው ደግሞ ማን ነው የመጀመሪያ መነሻ ጠጅና ጠላ የሚባለው ነገር ለመስራት የመጀመሪያ ቅመም እንደ መጀመሪያ ቅመም ተደርጎ የሚወሰደው ማን ነው ይሄ የበቀለ ገብስ ወይንም ብቅል በአማርኛ ብቅል ይባላል እሱ ነው ማለት ነው what are the two major chemical reactants and two chemical products of photosynthesis የፎቶሲንተሲስ ሪአክታንቶች ካርቦን ዳይኦክሳይድ እና ውሃ ናቸው ፕሮዳክቶቹ ደግሞ ግሉኮስ እና ኦክሲጅን ናቸው ማለት ነው is photosynthesis breaking down or building up photosynthesis ማለት building up ነው ለምን ካርቦን ዳይኦክሳይድ እና ወተር ሞለኪውልን ተጠቅሞ ትልቅ እና በጣም ወሳኝ የሆነ ለሰውም ለእጽዋትም ለእንስሳም አስፈላጊ የሆነን ኮምፓውንድ ግሉኮስን የሚሰራ ፕሮሰስ ነው እንዲሁም ኦክሲጅን ደግሞ በጣም ለሰው ልጅና ለእንስሳት ለእጽዋትም አስፈላጊ ነው what are the combustion products of kerosene kerosene ይሁን kerosene ማለት የሃይድሮካርቦን ኮምፓውንድ አይነት ነው ብዙ አይነት የሃይድሮካርቦን ኮምፓውንዶች አሉ እና እነዚህ ሃይድሮካርቦን ኮምፓውንዶች በኦክሲጅን ሲነዱ የሚፈጠረው ነገር ካርቦን ዳይኦክሳይድ እና ውሃ ሁለቱም ጋዝ ናቸው ወተር ማለት ፔፐር ነው ይሄም እንዲሁ ካርቦን ዳይኦክሳይድም ጋዝ እነዚህ ነገሮች ናቸው የሚፈጠሩት ማለት ነው kerosene combustion building up ነው ወይስ breaking down ነው ይሄ kerosene ማለት ቢገር ሞለኪውል ነው በት እነዚህ ደግሞ ስብርባሪ ሞለኪውሎች ናቸው ስለዚህ ወደ ምን ተቀየረ ማለት ነው ወደ breaking down ፕሮሰስ ላይ ነው ማለት ነው ይሄ ሂደት ማለት ነው combustion ከተባለ ኦኬ ሌላው ምንድነው type of chemical reaction በአራት ዋና ክፍሎች ይከፈላል ብለናል direct combination decomposition single displacement እና double displacement ተብሎ በአራት ዋና ክፍሎች ይከፈላል ነው direct combination ማለት ሁለት ወይም ከሁለት በላይ የሆኑ ነገሮች ሁለት ኤሌመንቶች ሊሆኑ ይችላሉ ወይንም ኮምፓውንዶች ሊሆኑ ይችላሉ ወይንም አንዱ ኤሌመንት ሌላው ኮምፓውንድ ሊሆን ይችላል የሚፈጠረው ነገር ግን necessarily የግድ አንድ መሆን አለበት አንድ ኮምፓውንድ ብቻ ይፈጠራል ማለት ነው የዚህ አይነት ሪአክሽን ዳይሬክት ኮምቢኔሽን ሪአክሽን ይባላል ማለት ነው ዲኮምፖዚሽን ሪአክሽን ማለት የዚህ ተቃራኒ ነው አንድ ነገር አንድ ኮምፓውንድ ወደ ሁለት ወይንም ከሁለት በላይ ወደ ሆኑ ኮምፓውንዶች ወይም ኤሌመንቶች ሲፈራርስ ወይም ሲከፋፈል ማለት ነው ኦኬ ሲሰባበር ማለት ነው ይሄም እንደዚሁ የዚህኛው ተቃራኒ ለመሆኑ በዚህ just visualized የሆነ ማስረጃ እዚህ ላይ ማየት ትችላላችሁ ምሳሌዎችን እዚህ ጋር ሲንግል ዲስፕሌስመንት የሚባለው አንድ በጣም አክቲቭ የሆነ ነገር ሜቢ ኤሌመንቱ ሜታል ወይም ነን ሜታል ሊሆን ይችላል በጣም አክቲቭ ነው እዚህ ጋር ውህድ ከፈጠረው ነገር የበለጠ አክቲቭ ሲሆን ማለት ነው ውህድ ውስጥ ያለውን ነገር ያስወግድና በዚህ ቦታ እሱ ይገባል ማለት ነው ሚንስ ኤ ለምሳሌ ከቢ የበለጠ በጣም አክቲቭ ነው ስለዚህ ኤ ቢን ያስወግድና በቢ ቦታ ሲገባ ማን ይሆናል ማለት ነው ኤሲ ይሆናል ማለት ነው ቢ ወገድና ብቻውን ይቀራል ማለት ነው የዚህ አይነት ሪአክሽን ዲስፕሌስመንት ሲንግል ዲስፕሌስመንት ሪአክሽን ተብሎ ይጠራል ደብል ዲስፕሌስመንት የሚባለው ግን ሁለቱ ኮምፓውንዶች መሆን አለባቸው ስለዚህ ሁለቱ ኮምፓውንዶች አንደኛው ፖዚቲቭ አዮን ነው የመጀመሪያው ይሄኛው ኔጌቲቭ አዮን ነው የሚሆነው ሁለት ኮምፓውንድ ይሄ ኮምፓውንድ ከሆነ ይሄም እንደዚህ ኮምፓውንድ ሲሆን የመጀመሪያው ፖዚቲቭ አዮን ሌላኛው ደግሞ ቀጥሎ ያለው ኔጌቲቭ አዮን ስለዚህ ፖዚቲቭ አዮኑ በፖዚቲቭ አዮኑ ይቀየራል ኔጌቲቭ አዮኑ ደግሞ በኔጌቲቭ አዮኑ ይቀየራል ማለት ነው እና ሁለት ሌላ አዲስ አይነት ኮምፓውንዶች ይፈጥራሉ የዚህ አይነት የመቀየር የመተካካት የውህደት መፍጠር ሂደት ምን ይባላል ማለት ነው ደብል ዲስፕሌስመንት ሪአክሽን ተብሎ ይጠራል ማለት ነው ይሄ እንግዲህ የኮምቢኔሽን ሪአክሽን ምሳሌዎች ናቸው ኤሌመንት ከኤሌመንት ጋር ሲዋሃድ ሶዲየም የሚባል ኤሌመንት ከክሎሪን የሚባል ኤሌመንት ጋር ሲዋሃዱ ሶዲየም ክሎራይድ የሚባል አንድ ውህድ ይፈጠራል እዚህ ጋር ደግሞ ኮምፓውንድ ውህደት ነው ያደረጉት ኮምፓውንድ ካልሲየም ኦክሳይድ ከካርቦን ዳይኦክሳይድ ጋር ሲዋሃድ ሁለቱም ኮምፓውንድ ናቸው ካልሲየም ካርቦኔት የሚባል ትልቅ ኮምፓውንድ ይፈጠራል ማለት ነው እንግዲህ በዚህ ጊዜ ኮምቢኔሽን ሪአክሽን ከተባለ የግድ አንድ አይነት ኮምፓውንድ ብቻ ሚንስ አንድ ኮምፓውንድ ብቻ ነው የሚፈጠረው ማለት ነው ሪአክታንቶች ግን ሁለት ወይም ከሁለት በላይ ሊሆኑ ይችላሉ ኤሌመንት ወይም ኮምፓውንድ ሊሆኑ ይችላሉ ማለት ነው ሌላ ኤክስፐሪመንት ላይ ዲስከስ ያደረግነው ነገር ማለት ነው ይሄ ነው እንግዲህ ኮምቢኔሽን ሪአክሽን ለማረጋገጥ ነው ኤክስፐሪመንት ዋን እና ሰልፈር እና አይረንን ሁለቱን የተፈጩ የደቀቁ ሆነው እናደባልቃቸዋለን ማለት ነው እናደባልቅና በሆነ መያዣ በቴስት ውስጥ ሊሆን ይችላል ወይም በሌላ ዕቃ ብላክ የሆነ ነገር ነው የሚፈጠረው ይሄ ሰልፈር በጣም ያው የሎ ቢጫ የሆነ ነገር ነው ነን ሜታል ሶሊድ ነው አይረን ደግሞ ግሬይ እንደ ሲልቨሪ ግሬይ ግራጫ ማለት ነው እንደ ሲልቨር ደማቅ የሆነ ነጭ አይደለም ግራጫ ጠቆር ያለ ማለት ነው ከሲልቨር የዚህ አይነት መልክ ያለው ብረት ነው እና በዚህ ጊዜ ሁለቱ ተደባልቀው ከፍተኛ ሙቀት በሚተፋ መሳሪያ ሲቀጣጠሉ የሁለቱ ድብልቅ ያው ብላክ ሰብስታንስ ተፈጥሯል ማለት ነው ጥያቄዎች እዚህ ላይ ያሉ ለጥያቄዎች መልሱ what were the colors of iron filling gray ነው and that of sulfur ደግሞ pale yellow ወይም ገርጣ ያለ ቢጫ ላይክ እንደዚህ ማለት ነው እዚህ ጋር ያለው ቢጫ እንደዚህ ያመሳስላል okay what was the color of the resulting compound produced during this reaction ነው የሚለው black ነው iron sulfide ይሄ black substance ነው ማለት ነው ይሄን ይመስላል
This is a class for experimental activities. Therefore, what we are going to do for today is the burning of magnesium metal or magnesium ribbon. This is magnesium ribbon. Okay, this is magnesium ribbon, which is used for this chemical test in the laboratory classes. Okay, what will be happening and what will be done, just we will see it. Okay, this is a tongue which is used for holding test tubes and this ribbon, magnesium ribbon, for burning purpose and for other purpose in the laboratory. Okay, therefore what I'm going to do here is burning of magnesium ribbon with a burner. What will be happening and what will we do, just you will follow me. Now here, this is a dish which is used for collecting the white ash which is produced after this magnesium metal is burned. Okay, you can see it. The white dazzling powerful light will be produced, you will see it at once. As you can see, the light is powerful. If you are just in front of it, it is dangerously powerful white light is produced. Therefore, this is white ash. Okay. Therefore, it will be collected inside this dish. what has happened is white ash means magnesium oxide. This is whether it is basic oxide or acidic oxide or neutral oxide, as we will see it, we will identify with indicators. This is just water, type water, consumption. Okay, therefore, we'll add some or little amount of water here and we'll dissolve it with a stirrer. This is glass rod, which is used for dissolving purpose. You can see just the making of solution, the solution of magnesium oxide, that is, which is going to be just checked whether it is basic, acidic or neutral with help of universal indicator. Okay, just making a solution now. There's a preparation of solution. The white ash is going to be dissolved now. I'm just dissolving it. Okay, this is the solution of white ash. So therefore, what's going to be happen is just checking it with indicator. This is what you call it universal indicator. Okay, this is universal indicator. And let me check it with this solution. If it is basic, it will be changed to bluish color. If it is acidic, it will be changed to reddish color, and so forth. We'll see it. You see, the color changed to bluish. Okay, this is greenish blue color. Why it is greenish blue? It is not purple. It is not dark blue. Why? Because magnesium hydroxide is not strong base. It is weak base, one of the weak bases. Therefore, it is just greenish blue color shows it is a weak base formed, which is magnesium hydroxide. Therefore, there are two types of combination reactions which is observed now. One is burning of magnesium metal with the help of oxygen, or combination of magnesium and oxygen to form magnesium oxide, that is white ash. The second reaction, the white ash is dissolved in water, forms magnesium hydroxide, another combination reaction. Therefore, this is just the color change that you can observe here, these ones.